Okay, I'm retarded.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Good morning and welcome. Day 23 and penultimate day. Sad. We're gonna go explore the castle today, but first, breakfast. Do you want to do that?
I'm a samurai at heart already.
Oh, okay.
Don't need to demonstrate it with. That's too much protection for a samurai. Why is it covered in the hair? This is a mental hospital. Like, if you touch this and it starts ringing,
You're retarded.
Yeah, they will take you in immediately. Is it ringing? Oh, I just.
You're retarded.
I corrected it. It wasn't. It was misaligned. Oh, sorry. Maybe it was measuring how strong the wind is, and when the typhoon comes, everything is like that, horizontal. It's not. Okay, I'm retarded. Lucky.
Lucky, Japanese lucky.
Lucky is chancy. Lucky.
Lucky. Kabigo.
Oh, sabi.
Kabigo.
Is this Kabigo?
Kabigo. Name. Japan. Kabigo.
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 It's Snorlax because he snores, you know? Snores like when you sleep. So you know.
Lots of cities have Ferris wheels in their city, but none of them are surrounded by high-rises. This is peculiar. What? Again? Yes, again.
They're too sweet. So comforting, both of them.
This is stupid. Everything is so cute and fluffy and like...
I don't want to let go. Oh no, don't let go.
We've made it out. We've done it. We're quite a lot poorer, but we've made it. Also, for anyone who's even mildly interested in Pokemon, this place is amazing. For anyone who has no interest in Pokemon, this is hell. You are gonna lose your mind if you're going with a friend that has an interest. So cute. Say goodbye to sanity.